Hey there and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to add widgets to your Webaza website. There's a couple different ways to do this, so I'm going to start off with the easiest, which is adding a page widget. So go to the hamburger menu on the left top hand corner, click on General Settings, click on Page Widgets. From here there's a variety of different simple page widgets you can use preloaded on the Webaza website editor. Some of these you actually have to pay money for, they don't come with all editors, but with ours it comes free. So we have the chat function, a share button, a feedback for users, a topper button, a ribbon, a loader, snow, cooking consent, and custom. So for this example, we're going to use the cookie consent, which is essential for websites if you're gaining any kind of information from users. So when you click on it, it lets you know that you've added the cookie app to this page. You can either customize it or just let it run as is. We're just going to click customize to see what it does. So with the media widget, there's some parameters. You can change the text, you can change the style and the colors, you can change the position. You can also go into code and actually change the code itself. Only use this if you know CSS or JavaScript. If you take any code out of here, the widget may not behave properly. Let's go back to parameters, make sure everything looks good, and we'll go ahead and update it. So what's going to happen every time the website is loaded, it's going to ask for cookie consent. Like I said, this is important if you're gaining any kind of information off of a website, such as email address, names, phone numbers, anything like that. So you just click got it, and it disappears. You can also remove any widget if you'd like. If you made a mistake, go back into general settings, go back into page widget, and you'll see remove. And this will remove the code and it'll remove the widget off the page. These are page widgets. So if you want to add these on multiple pages, you just have to follow the same instructions as on this page. There's another way to add a page or add a widget on a page as well. If you click add a new section, you can also go to elements and hit raw. This is good for third-party apps that you want to install onto your website. Just hit edit widget, choose whether you want it to be inline, which inline means the widget will appear within the designated space, or median background, which the widget will appear on the background of the stripe. All you have to do is hit code, remove the code and replace it with whatever you like, hit save, and your widget will appear there. There's a couple other widgets you can add on, such as PDF Viewer, SoundCloud, Google Calendar, or OpenTable. As long as you have accounts for those, it'll show. You can also remove the widget like so. There's also a way to add a widget with a strip, and I'll show you how. Click the strip. We're going to use text blocks for this example. We're going to add the strip in. Then we're going to hit the body. We're going to hit the plus button. And then you can also add a widget within a strip. This will automatically be inline, so it'll show within the parameters of the text. If you want it to show in the background, click median background, and the strip will show throughout the background. It doesn't have any parameters. Let's go back to inline, and you can either type in custom code here, or you can add any of the pre-assembled widgets we have right here. So there's a bunch of different ways to add either third-party widgets or use our own page widgets in order to either add functionality to your website or make it more professional, more presenting. And that's how you add widgets to your Webaza website.